MARSfarm aims to facilitate teachers in inspiring their students to pursue careers in STEM and agriculture. We've designed our MARSfarm Growth Chamber kits to execute this mission. The three main parts of these kits are the curriculum, the growth chambers, and the experiment packs. Our project-based learning curriculum aligns to NGSS standards and is written to engage students with a Mars colony themed narrative. Specifically, each lesson presents a problem that Martian colonists might encounter and provides the tools that might be available to a colonist with a specific STEM career that would be most applicable to solving it. Each specific curriculum also dictates a climate recipe to be input into the growth chamber computer to provide the conditions required for the plant involved in the curriculum lessons. The growth chambers are designed to grow plants inside of a classroom with minimal maintenance. The kit is flat packed for cheaper shipping and takes about 1 hour to assemble. The frame is furniture-grade PVC with 3D printed brackets that the brain assembly bolts onto. The enclosure is made from flexible, 50% reflective film that velcros to the frame. The film allows clear, 360-degree visibility and is reflective enough to allow for lower-powered lights to be viable. The LEDs used are cobs doped with red and blue diodes to give the proper spectrum for photosynthesis and look futuristic. There are 4 total cobs mounted on 2 fixtures suspended from the brain board. The LED fixtures are wired to a relay, which allows for on-off control by the onboard computer. The computer used is a Raspberry Pi 3B+. The computer runs the current stretch version of Raspbian as the operating system and has our software stack pre-installed. Beyond controlling the LEDs, the software runs the rest of the climate recipe, including reading and collecting data from the SI7021 temperature and humidity sensor, controlling the fans that regulate the temperature, and taking pictures with the camera. The software also allows for certain manual data entry items as dictated by the curriculum. When connected to the internet, all of the sensor, camera, and manual entry data is backed up to our servers. This allows us to continually improve our climate recipes. The experiment packs provide all of the seeds, hydroponic, and test equipment needed to run the experiments dictated by the curriculum. Our initial kit comes with pak choi seeds to grow. The hydroponics method used is deep water culture and thus comes with a reservoir, lid with 2-inch holes, 2-inch net cups, rockwool cubes, air pump, air hose, air stones, and nutrient solution. The testing equipment included is a package of pH strips and an EC temperature combination meter. This complete kit will allow teachers to get started with growing in the classroom today.